Artoonza.
In this easy tutorial, we'll learn how to draw a toilet, a sink, and toilet paper, or as I like to call it, a water room. Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together. Give us a big thumbs up. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Blue.
Aw, so cute.
Snowy white. Pink. Mix it up, mix it up. Wow, now we have a beautiful pink color. Color. Mix it up, mix it up. Wow, now we get a baby blue.
Wow!
Give us your like. Don't be shy, color high. Yellow. Color. Black. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Smash that like button now.
Wow!
Aw, so cute.
A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.